A newly discovered asteroid passed within 2,000 miles from Earth's surface on Sunday, August 16, 2020, then moved on into space. Asteroid ZTFODxQ, now officially labeled 2020 QG, is truck-sized, or about 10 to 20 feet. It was moving at a speed of 7.7 miles per second, or about 27,600 miles per hour. The asteroid approached us from a sunward direction and passed us by at 12:08 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Astronomers didn't detect it until hours later after the object moved on. Asteroid 2020 QG now holds the record as being the closest known non-impacting asteroid, passing us by at 1,830 miles above the southern Indian Ocean.